Well, jet fuel's a big part of it. I mean, our earnings are down for the quarter somewhere on almost $500 million, and then $750 million increase in fuel price alone, not gallons. So the cost of fuel clearly has driven our earnings down year over year. But look, we know that our job is to make sure that fuel prices do what they do, and we need to make sure that we give the right return to our investors. So the other part of the story is revenue performance. While revenues are strong and demand is strong, we need to continue to work to make sure that we're doing everything we can to cover the cost, the higher cost of fuel.
You had an analyst meeting about a year ago, and this question is coming because you hear about it from everybody, where you said to one of the analysts, look, our stock's going to be at $60 by November of next year, November of 2018. It's nowhere close to $60. It's not going to be there. You made the bet for a bottle of wine. When you look at how the stock is being viewed by the street right now, do you feel like you're unfairly being criticized for the lack of growth in revenue relative to your peers? Yeah,
it was a fun bet with an analyst who's turning 60 in November, and the bet was we'll be 60 before you are. We got really close. We were like 59 and a half. But anyway, it's traded a good bit back. I'm probably going to own that bottle of wine, but that's okay. Well, maybe we'll do 61 by 61. But nonetheless, anyway, our industry still feels underappreciated by the street. That's ours to fix, and that's not a complaint. But the history of this business hasn't been one where people expect real rates of returns. I think we built the business and can do that now, but we need to prove it over cycles. And so anyway, we always are pretty bullish on our stock, but at these levels we're incredibly bullish.
How do you get that growth in revenue, particularly when it comes to customer upgrades? I know you talked on the conference call with some of the analysts saying, look, we can do better. How do you do better in terms of getting customers to say, yeah, I'll pay a little bit more to move up to premium economy?
Yeah, by delivering products that customers are willing to pay for, which is what we're doing. Introduction of premium economy throughout our fleet is yet another level of service. In between the main cabin product and the first class product that there's real demand for internationally. So we know that'll work. And today it's happening. What we can do is do a better job of making it easier for our customers to see and to purchase.
But so do you admit, and I'm not trying to get you to talk about your competitors, but everyone looks at you guys and they say, why are they not growing passenger revenues as quickly as Delta or as quickly as United?
Yeah. Well, look, a good part of that's where we fly. I mean, we have a huge presence in Latin America, which hasn't been as strong as other parts of the world. But that's not all. And again, one of the things, we've come out of our integration, 4 years ago. Those other airlines are a little bit ahead of us. That's actually opportunity for us. But they have the ability that we don't yet have for customers to actually be able to purchase this in channels other than their own websites, for example. Something that we'll have in 2019. That's part of the upside.